In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly enable Windows Copilot on your Windows 10 PC. If you want to start using Copilot on Windows 10, the good news is that the setup is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Before we turn it on, we first need to make sure your system is running the correct Windows version, because this feature depends on your PC being fully up to date. Start by opening your Settings app. From there, click System, then scroll until you find the About section. In this area, look for your Windows version information and confirm that your computer is running Windows 10 version 22H2. This is important because if your device is on an older version, Copilot may not appear even if everything else looks correct. Once that's confirmed, go back to Settings and open Update and Security. Then head into Windows Update. This is where Windows checks for the latest system improvements and feature support. Now click Check for updates and allow Windows to search for anything that is still pending. If updates are available, install all of them. This step is especially important since missing updates can prevent new features from showing up properly. Depending on how many updates your PC needs, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the process finish completely. If Windows asks you to restart your computer, go ahead and do that before moving on. After your PC restarts, the next thing to check is Microsoft Edge. Open Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Help and Feedback and choose About Microsoft Edge. This page will automatically check whether the browser is fully updated. If an update starts downloading, let it finish and restart the browser if needed. Keeping Edge current matters because Copilot relies on components tied to Microsoft's latest browser experience. With Windows and Edge both updated, you're ready to enable the button itself. Right-click an empty area of your taskbar. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Show Copilot button and make sure it is checked. As soon as you enable it, you should see the Copilot icon appear on the taskbar. Finally, click the new Copilot icon to open the AI assistant and start using it right away. If the icon doesn't appear immediately, give your PC a moment or check once more that all updates were fully installed. That's all it takes to bring Copilot to your Windows 10 machine. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new AI features.